Hello YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'ma show you the fastest way to beat this clown ape shakedown Mr. First thing is to buy a bunch of things that increases your health and heat level, and then you need magic ball, and then once you're actually in the match, all you have to do is spam the magic balls dog. Keep spamming them yeah, he not touching you dog. It's time to go ham, so first thing you have to do is spam them balls, so we have to pull out ball number 1 to get this done. After this we need to hit the main menu, and get more pimp juice, if you know what I'm saying. Get them healths dog get 'em. Hit Y son hit that Y button I hit that Y button I hit that Y button ha hit Y son hit that Y button I hit that Y button I hit that Y button ha hit Y son hit that Y button I hit that Y button I hit that Y button ha hit Y son hit that Y button I hit that Y button I hit that Y button ha. Pretty much the rest is history as long as you have those health things you can't lose and swing them balls. And by the way, have you subscribed to AquaTechFantasy? He's super legendary and gets the job done any means necessary. He is trying his best in the tech side of things because he failed at gaming lol JK, but no seriously. Keep throwing them balls. Stay on task. This is actually pretty cool. I didn't even know you can do this. I'm going to make a video on how to do this for free. Yeah, you heard it here first, this is free. I feel like Pac, I feel like Biggie. I'm feeling like this people are waiting to kill me. I'm losing my sleep. I'm losing my mind. You know I'm go hard when it comes to mind. You keep throwing that ball, and I will keep on spitting sun. Moving throwing the highway, throwing all kind of A's. Are you my rock, more like my baby? Find me in the streets. You not my lady. Driving down the street asking so crazy. The reach is a creep and more mystic than X-Men could ever be. Take a peek at the land the fan can't get ran like sand. Spidey should have got the web with Morgan so X-Play could play X with X-Cops from the Aris Dusty on the PS3 with musical side fees.